Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I am humble. This is gonna be my first video. So I was very enthusiastic for making a one. So as you can see, I am standing in front of a car. So I am gonna be talking about some technical uh, detail or a issue that some people think is that is a normal thing in a car. So stay tuned and please watch the full video. So this was the sound I was talking about. I hope all can hear it. So I'm gonna be talking about, is this voice normal or it indicates some issue, uh, whether we should check our vehicle or it's just better that it tells us about that the vehicle is working properly. So let me show you by an example. So let me start by telling you some basic. This is a 18 years old car. In this car, we have a throttle response from a wire attached to the throttle, which is an accelerator pedal, which moves this mechanical thing attached to a spring, which opens the valves and directs the fuel injectors to an amount which helps you accelerate the car. So this is an old car, so there are no sensors present in it for this. But in modern cars like this one, as you can see, there is no such thing present because that is being replaced by sensors, and many sensors like the throttle body and the accelerator pedal sensor, which is present inside your car where you put your foot, that work in coordination to provide maximum efficiency and throttle response. So the sound you hear after you switch off your car is the sound of the throttle body, that is a valve which directs the air injection in the system of your car, which helps in fuel burning and ultimately leads to the acceleration of a car. So as you can see, I have started my car. So I am going to show you how when you put your foot on a pedal, how the engine revs. So this is how it works in an old car. So as I showed you, that car had a mechanical system which accelerated the car, but this car is a modern one and this doesn't have one. So when I put my foot on the accelerator pedal, the accelerator pedal senses the output, how much pedal you have pressed, and that goes to the ECU, which is the engine control unit, which then calculates it and which provides us with the acceleration of the car. So as you can see, smooth and efficient. And that's the sound you hear when you stop your car. So I'm gonna be showing it to you now. So I'm gonna be switching off my car at the moment and you will be hearing the sound. This isn't a thing that you have to check your vehicle or something. It is better that your vehicle is working properly. Thanks guys for watching, and I will be uploading new videos regarding unboxing, tech, and many more. Uh, my vlogs too. So stay tuned and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.